What's up, guys? I haven't given you a good straight video on what's going on and what I'm doing, but this is what I've been doing, getting this ready. I got new lug nuts for it, all the same. Ooh, because I got the caps, but they're plastic, guys, and they're breaking. Ay, panchito. He's just chilling. It's early in the morning, guys. It's like, oh, I forgot what time it is. 7:30 in the morning. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the car. Got them all around. The car's running good. There's a little rattle. I think the power steering pump went out where it's rattling like a freaking loose bolt. But in a little bit, I think this garage that I go to, actually the video I just upload, the Ramirez Tire Shop, that's where I go and take the car so I can get it looked at. That guy does actually radiators, AC, muffler fixes, and what else? Air conditioning, guys. So I'm gonna see if I can take it to get the air conditioning there. I passed through there. He wasn't there, so I'm at mom's house right now. The war rig is nice and safe. That I need to get a blinker relay. It blew out when it was in the rain here a lot at my mom's. It's in my new place under a carport, so I got it there. It needed to be under there because it's getting bad, and it messed up that. So, or it's just after old age already, because I think me and my uncle, we made a video putting that on, guys. It was a yellow one. Anyways, but everything's running good, guys. The tachometer, it takes a cable behind the speedometer, behind the cluster, to the transmission. Actually, let me show you the old speed sensor that I changed, I think yesterday. So this is the sensor, guys. I changed it, but what I couldn't connect was this part, and you can see all the dirt that it wasn't connected before. And I was reading the manual and it says you connect it here and it's supposed to work like that. I don't think you need this, but it's going all bonkers, guys, and I changed it and it's supposed to help that, not do that. It actually helps shift better, and it's not as a rowdy shifting. It actually fixed that, but it didn't fix the speedometer tack of giving me the proper speed I'm going. So I'm gonna have to figure something out, put my OBD2 in there and see what else needs to get fixed on the transmission side, because that was one part I bought for it. I want to do the wipers right now, but I'm not going to film it because, you know, that's easy, guys, and you guys already know about all that stuff. But other than that, guys, it runs good. The brakes are actually running good now. I bled them one time holding the little spigot where you put it on the little valve where you bleed it. Like, I pushed it on and I bled it like that with the other hand and with one hand, and it was an ordeal, but I got them bled. And yeah, I got it. You can't even tell, and you won't tell because it's so like rough and it has dents and everything, but I washed it. Like, you can't really tell. Maybe the rims, yeah, it's a little wet, but yeah, guys, that's basically it. Just wanted to give you a little update. Yeah, the war rig, it needs I need to do the brakes too. I was like pumping and letting it go down. I wasn't like pump and then open the bleeder and then let it go down. So I need to do that. I don't know what the hell I was doing and why I don't know how to do it if I've done it before. I guess sometimes I forget. But for today, I just wanted to give you an update. The tires are good. There's a gap. Let's focus on my finger. More of the gaps right there. And man, to get like, I would have to get a whole different rim that's like, I would have to measure that gap. It's probably like 10 inches because those rims are actually 8 inches wide. So that gap is probably like maybe 11, maybe even a 12. I don't even know, bro. But even this one too, but you can see the gap. But yeah, that's later when I get everything good and I get some new good tires and some cool rims. This is just to get it moving, enjoy it a little. So yeah, guys, new lights, everything runs good. It's just the little loose ends. I think cylinder bank 1 is kind of lean, so I need to figure out that and how to fix that. Maybe I need new injectors. Maybe they're already old already, and me just putting up the little gaskets on that video, you know how I did it, wasn't enough for it maybe. So maybe I need new ones. It actually doesn't hesitate or nothing. I think it needs a new TPS, startle response, because sometimes it falls on that. But then I was thinking, no, that's still the transmission speed sensor, because it said those fix like 8 or 9 different things on the car. It shifts good, but it's the leaning thing. I just remembered it's very lean, guys, and I think it's very rich too. It's rich and lean. It's not doing it right. I need to find what's causing it. Maybe my fuel regulator is not working right. I think I have a vacuum leak somewhere. Savage bitch, what are you doing, savage bitch? Oh, this is a savage bitch cat. She's a mean chick. She's a mean pussy cat. You're a mean pussy cat. So yeah, guys. What was I saying? I need to figure out that lean. But other than that, she rides good, and I'm gonna go to the shop and see what that rattle is. I might make a video there showing that rattle or whatever. I'm gonna text him right now and see if homie's there and do some more videos. But yeah, guys, it's just a little update. What's going on with the war rig? Just needs that little blinker and another good bleed. And need to figure out the lean and the rich. I think it's happening both times. And I figured out the anti-theft, immobilization theft sensor was out on the side. I think I showed it to you guys. I glued it in. Now it turns on real nice. So that's fixed. Just little by little, guys. Today I'm gonna fix that rattle. I think it's the power steering pump. You know what? I'll turn it on so you guys can hear. So you can hear the rumble. Oh, and I fixed the exhaust, guys. But there's a leak on the passenger side because I can't find that aftermarket flange. And I'm gonna find it. Oh, you hear it already? You hear it? That's the noise I'm trying to get fixed today. I don't know, it sounds like the power steering, you tell me. My sister going to work. That's the noise. And when I took it to the guy to do the transmission, I did the transmission seal, guys, and the transmission filter. So it's not leaking no more from the transmission. That's what it was doing too. I fixed that, put the sensor on the transmission, the speed sensor. And then when I came back from doing that, there was no fluid in the steering reservoir. So it leaked it all out, and I think it actually leaked that out again. Let's check. Oh yeah, guys, it sounds like it too. Oh look, it went away. I think it's my flange that's leaking, that's loose. Bye, Lori. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the exhaust guy and we're gonna figure that out. And I'm gonna get new terminals. I think I can use that same one. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. I think it is the exhaust, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it done right. I'm gonna take it to him and we're gonna see if we can like do it, you know. do it right. But yeah, I gotta get that other alternator bolt, and the other bolt from right here, it's worn off. So yeah, that's what's going on, guys. But there it is again. We'll figure it out and we'll fix it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.